Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps. After that, go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. Go and click on Settings. After that, go and click on Navigation. Scroll down a little bit. You will find route options. So the first option is Avoid Tolls. You have just to click on it, and like that you will avoid tolls on your Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.